Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it is at the very bottom of the list. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on this build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. As you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the USB configuration. Here we've got some options overall connected with the networking, because we've got the Wi-Fi, USB as I said, Bluetooth, etc. Here you can, for example, show visual feedback for tabs. Here you can manage the animation. So a lot of options, and in order to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so like here in the window animation scale for example, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options and if you want to hide them, simply tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, you can see that they will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.